Hello everyone, welcome to Volkswagen Downtown Mumbai. My name is Hardik Parmar and today I'll be taking you towards the new Volkswagen Polo TSI. As I am here in the showroom with limited people around me, I'll be removing this mask so I can show you the details of the Polo very easily. But I urge you to wear a mask whenever you are at public place or at your office. Come, I'll show you the Volkswagen Polo. The Polo looks beautiful. If you look at the front grille, it is the new GTI inspired front grille that we have introduced in the new Volkswagen Polo. At the same time, much more sportier front air dam which gives you better driving dynamics. The new Volkswagen Polo is now powered by the new 1 litre TSI petrol engine which develops a power of 110 PS at around 5000 to 5500 RPM and has got a beautiful linear torque of 175 Nm which starts at 1750 and delivers till 4100 RPM. The new Volkswagen Polo also has got a dual barrel black finish headlamps which gives you better visibility when driving the car at night. At the same time, it also has got front static cornering lights, also the front fog lamps which help you in parking the car in tight spaces. The Volkswagen Polo also comes with a 16-inch grey Portago alloy wheels with tubeless tires. At the same time, we also have got large fenders given over here which doesn't allow the mud to come on the glass when you're driving the car in your monsoon time. Again, if you look at the outside rear view mirrors, we have got a nice LED design over here on the outside mirrors, and you won't believe the outside mirror is very strong. Imagine you're driving the car in city driving conditions and there are a lot of people on bikes who normally come and hit the sides of your car. Let's say somebody is coming and hits your car. In a normal situation, this would break, but in the Volkswagen Polo, it is very strong. The Volkswagen Polo also comes with one of its kind laser welding technology. You must have seen a lot of cars having a black rubber strip on the roof of the cars. Volkswagen Polo is one of the cars which is made for laser welding technology, which gives a strong and rigid feeling to the car. At the same time, if you look at the build quality of the car, the Volkswagen Polo comes with side cross impact bars. So in case if you have an impact from the side, the people sitting inside the car would be safe. Talking about the build quality, you mustn't have seen this before in your life. Let me show you what is the build quality of a Volkswagen Polo. If you open the door for Volkswagen Polo, normally people close the door of the other cars like this. But in the Volkswagen, you can close the doors like this. That's how strong the build quality of the Volkswagen Polo is. At the same time, let me show you something else. Have you ever seen somebody standing on the door of the car? Haven't you heard of that? Let me show it to you. This is how strong the Polo is. The new Volkswagen Polo also comes with dark and black tail lamps which gives better visibility to the people who are coming from behind. At the same time, as per safety standards, it also comes with rear parking sensors. Also, the rear side, that is the rear bumper, now gets a new look. It has got new GTI inspired new tail lamps and new diffuser which is right over here. Talking about the boot, the very unique way of opening the boot of the Volkswagen Polo is this. Come, I'll show it to you. There's this logo like this and the boot opens. That's how simple it is to open the boot of the Volkswagen Polo. Also, talking about the boot, Volkswagen Polo is one of the only car in the industry which comes with an emergency exit. Let's say, in some situation you're stuck inside the car and there is no place to come out. You have a possibility of coming out from the Volkswagen Polo. To demonstrate to you now how the emergency exit of the Volkswagen Polo works. Let's say the car is locked and there is no place for you to exit the car. I can actually exit the car with the help of the remote key. I am having the remote key with me in my hand. I can easily put this remote key in the slot which is given over here. I put the key inside over here and I press it. The door will unlock from inside. This is how beautifully you can unlock the car from inside in terms of critical circumstances. Also, to close the boot, we are given hooks over here with the help of which you can close the boot. The unique way to open the fuel lid of the Volkswagen Polo is the push type. For example, let's say the car is centrally unlocked. I just tap it over here, the fuel lid will get unlocked. This is how easy you can open the fuel lid when you want to refuel your car. Talking about the rear space of the Volkswagen Polo, it's got plenty of leg space in the rear. At the same time, the amount of underside support what this car gives is amazing. Also, the car comes with a rear AC vent and a rear cup holder given right over here, which is useful for people who go out for long drives. People normally think that this remote key is only to start the engine or off the engine. But this Volkswagen remote key has got one unique feature, that is opening and closing of the windows with the help of the remote key. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I press the unlock button once to unlock the car, and now if I press the unlock button for 10 seconds, you will see the windows rolling down. This is useful when your car is standing in a lot of heat. At the same time, let's say you are going home from a party and you forget to close the windows of your car, you can use the same remote key to close the windows also. Now let me show you how the remote key works to roll up the windows. Long press the lock button for 10 seconds. Very easy. At Volkswagen Downtown, all our cars are safe and sanitized. Looking at the interiors of the Volkswagen Polo, there are a few unique features what we have in our car, like adjustment of the seat with the help of the lever. I can move the seat up and down so that multiple people can use this car and drive the car. Again, talking about the steering, the Volkswagen Polo comes with a tilt telescopic steering. So this is tilt and this is telescopic. So people who have got different heights can easily use the steering, adjust the steering and drive the car in the proper way. Talking about the functions, this is the top of the line, the Polo Highline TSI. This also comes with amazing piano black finish steering wheel, and we have got buttons for music control, multifunction display, voice command, and to answer the call via Bluetooth when you got a call. Also, Volkswagen Polo is one of the first cars in the industry which has got a cruise control in a manual transmission. At the same time, the car comes with rain sensing wipers, auto dimming inside rearview mirror. The music system of the Volkswagen Polo is top of the class. It's got a nice 6.5-inch music system screen which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the same time, the car also comes with radio, MP3 CD, aux and USB. Talking about the AC, the Volkswagen Polo comes with dust and pollen filters. At the same time, it has got an automatic climate control AC. It's called Climatronic AC. Very simple for operation. With this button over here, I can switch on and switch off the AC. At the same time, I can also adjust the temperature, which is right given over here. This is the first time the Volkswagen Polo comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. You can see over here the way the gear knob is designed, best in its class finishing. Of course, this car also comes with the new 1-liter TSI engine. The Volkswagen Polo also comes with a multi-information display given right over here, which shows you various features like distance to empty, kilometers covered, average speed kilometers per hour, digital speedometer, speed limit, outside temperature, engine temperature, travel time and average kilometers per litre. This is the first time Volkswagen has introduced a turbo petrol engine in a manual transmission. The new 1-liter BS6 engine produces an amazing power of 110 PS, which starts at 5000 and goes up to 5500 RPM. At the same time, it has got a torque of 175 Newton meters, which starts in very early at 1750 RPM and delivers till 4100 RPM. Along with this amazing power, the car also handsomely delivers an efficiency of 18.24 kilometers per litre. The Volkswagen Polo also comes with a standard 3 years paint warranty, 6 years anti-perforation warranty and 100% galvanized steel, so your car keeps on looking the same throughout the years. The Volkswagen Polo also comes with a peace of mind with a forever care package. It comes with a 4-year silent warranty for 1 lakh kilometers. At the same time, it comes with 4 years roadside assistance, 3 labor-free service at an interval of 1,000, 7,500 and 15,000 kilometers for the first year. Peace of mind with the Volkswagen Polo. Thank you folks for watching our video for the Volkswagen Polo. Hope everybody is healthy and safe at home. We request you to please come down to Volkswagen Downtown at our safe and sanitized showroom. Thank you.